Hello again everyone, I'm Chase Vickers and this is Moonshot Money. Welcome back to our channel, and if this is your first time here, thanks for spending some time with us today. Since our last Virgin Galactic video, the stock price has gone up, and then down a little. There's much more upside to where that last surge came from. There has been a very intriguing change at the CEO position. Who is Michael Kahlglaser and what does he bring to our great company? Rolls-Royce partnership? Really? Are you ready? Let's go. Yesterday, August 3rd, Virgin Galactic unveiled their Mach 3 high-speed aircraft design and announced the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding with Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is a leader in the cutting-edge technologies that deliver clean, safe, and competitive solutions to the planet's vital power needs. Rolls-Royce has a proven record of delivering high Mach propulsion, powering the only civilian-certified commercial aircraft, the Concorde, capable of supersonic flight. The basic parameters of the initial high-speed aircraft design include a targeted Mach 3 certified delta wing aircraft that would have a capacity for 9 to 19 people at an altitude above 60,000 feet and would also be able to incorporate custom cabin layouts to address customer needs, including business or first-class seating arrangements. As EVs continue to revolutionize ground transportation, this is the beginning of air transportation revolution. You just have a chance to buy the future right now. Virgin Galactic excited us all a few days ago with an unexpected change. The company has brought in Michael Kahlglaser as its new CEO. The next couple of minutes of discussion is very important and speaks condensed volumes about this company. Kahlglaser was the longtime head of Disney's International Parks Division. This meant that Kahlglaser oversaw Disney's parks in Paris, Hong Kong, and Tokyo, and more. Before that, he headed Disney's Anaheim Park, where he led a $2 billion park expansion that included its Star Wars Galaxy's Edge themed attractions. George Whitesides had been Virgin Galactic's CEO for many years. George isn't leaving Virgin Galactic. Instead, he transitioned into being its Chief Space Officer, a position that he will excel and bring tremendous value because of his previous work at NASA in the space industry. Let's dig in here and talk about Michael. An Indiana native, Kahlglaser graduated from Stanford University in 1989 and was employed at Disney as an analyst and project manager in corporate strategy while he worked towards his master's degree from Harvard Graduate School of Business Administration. Over the next 26 years, from 1994 to 2020, Kahlglaser held executive roles within Disney's largest segments: parks, experiences, and consumer products. In the last decade, he has been the Vice President of Animal Kingdom, President of Disneyland Resort, and the President and Managing Director of Disney Parks International, helming the operations and development of Disneyland Paris, Hong Kong Disneyland, Shanghai Disney Resort, and Tokyo Disney Resort. Under his leadership, the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California experienced a record growth driven by his execution of the 60th anniversary Diamond Celebration and his introduction of the Marvel franchise into the park. Kahlglaser was also responsible for leading the effort behind the $2 billion Star Wars Galaxy's Edge land that was open to the public in 2019. Now, Kahlglaser gives Virgin Galactic a boatload of credibility. This signals Virgin Galactic is interested in much more than just a quick space trip. We know their plans include an unparalleled, week-long, unforgettable space experience for ticket buyers. Kahlglaser was a powerful hire for the Virgin Galactic team. With this shift in CEOs, Virgin Galactic is transforming from years of development to long-awaited monetization. They seem to be only months away from taking paying customers to space. In a recent CNBC article, Chairman Chamath Palihapitiya further indicated on a conference call with investors that the company is a few weeks away from making some really important announcements about its long-term bets. Here's a quote from the new CEO. Taking on the role of CEO of Virgin Galactic at this point in their company's growth trajectory is perfectly suited to my background and experience. I made one observation early on in this process. That was that Disney and Virgin Galactic share a common commitment to world-class service, incredible innovation, and delivering unique, unforgettable experiences. Despite the height of Call Glazer and Virgin Galactic's hurdle, Chamath noted to investors that it was shocking at how many prospective CEOs raised their hand and wanted to be the lead at Virgin Galactic. But he backed Call Glazer for the job, saying that he blew our socks off during the interviews. He talked about sort of a blue sky process that he's run multiple times inside of Disney and some of the Disney secret sauce about how they start with a customer-centric point of view. And in it, you don't just look at one individual person, but all the people around it, Chamath said. In Michael's new gig, he will earn a $1 million annual salary to start, plus a performance bonus of up to 150% of his salary, generous stock options, and other benefits according to a new 8K filing with the SEC. In recent days, there was also a new spaceship cabin reveal, and we could spend time there, but we would rather you just go watch the video from Virgin Galactic. The video is an amazing way to spend a few minutes if you are thinking about investing in Virgin Galactic or you're already on board. It's a pretty sweet video. In our last Virgin Galactic video, Don't Wait Too Late, we told you there would be a series of days where the stock price would be driven by news. The news we had in mind was an FAA license and the announcement of sending Richard Branson to space. The stock price rocketed around 30% on the news that we never saw coming. A CEO change. Our thesis on further price increases still remains intact. This company will soon be valued at close to $7 to $10 billion, in which will push the price from the mid-20s to the 30s and maybe low 40s. Make no mistake, there is a plan in place, and this amazing management team is almost ready to turn the key and release this space company to do what no business has ever done before: commercialize space. Remember, if you're not interested in your money, someone else is. We'll see you next time.